guys, today I'm going to be telling you how to make gravity in Scratch. So we're going to do this in two sections. First, with no variables, and second, with variables. So we'll start with no variables. We're going to drag out a when flag clicked, a forever loop. We're going to do change y by -1. And then we're also going to drag out a set y to 0. And then we're going to do when space key pressed, we're going to drag out another set y to 0. We're going to do a plus. We're going to type in 7. Then we're going to drag out a y position. So now here you have simplified gravity. Next, we're going to be doing it with variables. So here we're going to do this. We're going to make a variable. We're going to make gravity. Then we're going to do set gravity to 0. Then we're going to do change gravity by -1. Then we're going to add in gravity. Then here we're going to do set gravity to 7. Now, as you can see, we have gravity.